Sairam children, today we will continue with our activity of map plotting. Children, you all are aware of the names of the states and their capitals that have been numbered from 1 to 21, and you also know how to locate them on the outline map of India. You have learned, right? You have learned to locate the following states on the outline map of India. Let us do a small recap just to recall the names of the states and their capitals. Number one, yes, number one is Himachal Pradesh. What is the capital of Himachal Pradesh? Shimla. Number two, Punjab. Capital of Punjab is Chandigarh. Number three, Uttaranchal. Capital of Uttaranchal is Dehradun. Number four, Haryana. The capital of Haryana is also Chandigarh. That means Punjab and Chandigarh, they have the common capital. That is Chandigarh. Chandigarh is the common capital for Punjab and Haryana. Number five is the biggest state of India. What is the name? The name is, yes children, Rajasthan. What is the capital of Rajasthan? The capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur. Number six is Uttar Pradesh. What is the capital of Uttar Pradesh? Yes, it is. Yes, Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow. Number seven is Bihar. The capital of Bihar is Patna. Number eight is Gujarat. The capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. Gujarat is also the westernmost state of India. It is also called the westernmost state of India. Then number nine is Madhya Pradesh. What is the capital of Madhya Pradesh? Yes, children, it is Bhopal. Number 10 is, yes, children, Jharkhand. What is the capital of Jharkhand? The capital of Jharkhand is Ranchi. Number 11 is West Bengal. What is the capital of West Bengal? The capital of West Bengal is Kolkata. Number 12 is Sikkim. The capital of Sikkim is, yes, Gangtok. Sikkim is the second most smallest state of India. Number 13, yes, number 13 is Maharashtra, our state. We live in Maharashtra. What is the capital of Maharashtra? Yes, we all know it is Mumbai. Number 14 is Chhattisgarh. What is the capital of Chhattisgarh? The capital of Chhattisgarh is Raipur. Number 15 is Odisha. What is the capital of Odisha? The capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. Number 16 is the smallest state of India. What is the name of the smallest state of India? Goa. Yes, the capital of Goa is Panaji. It is the neighboring state of Maharashtra. Then comes number 17. What is number 17, children? It is Karnataka. Yes, what is the capital of Karnataka? Bengaluru. Number 18 is Telangana. What is the capital of Telangana? The capital of Telangana is, yes, Hyderabad. Number 19 is Andhra Pradesh. What is the capital of Andhra Pradesh? The capital of Andhra Pradesh is Amravati. Number 20 is Kerala. What is the capital of Kerala? Yes, it is very lengthy, very big. Tiruvananthapuram. Tiruvananthapuram. Then 21. 21 is, yes children, it is Tamil Nadu. What is the capital of Tamil Nadu? The capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. So, you all are thorough with the numbers from 1 to 21. In today's class, we will learn the names, the capitals of the states that are located in the eastern part of India. That means eastern states. We are going to do eastern states. How to locate eastern states on the outline map of India. Now we will start with Arunachal Pradesh. Yes, children. Yes, this is Arunachal Pradesh. This one is Arunachal Pradesh. Now try to understand the shape of the map, the shape of the region. Yes, so you have to draw one line. Okay, you have to draw one arrow, and above the arrow you have to write down Arunachal Pradesh. I am writing the starting letter. You have to write the complete word. The capital of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. What is the capital? It is Itanagar. And children, you have to by heart all the names along with the spellings. Now, after Arunachal Pradesh, let us learn to locate Assam on the outline map of India. This is Assam, and this one, here you have to draw one arrow stating Assam. You have to write down Assam on the arrow. Arunachal Pradesh is the neighboring state locating in the north of Assam. And children, Arunachal Pradesh is the easternmost part of India. It is the easternmost state of India. Now you all have learned to locate Assam on the outline map. Now let us learn some other states. Now, the capital of Assam is Dispur. I forgot to tell you, the capital of Assam is Dispur. Now, next comes Nagaland. The capital of Nagaland is Kohima. So, Nagaland is the neighboring state of Assam. So, how will you will just draw one arrow. This is Nagaland. Follow, children. This pink color. Here it is given pink color. So you have to identify the shape. So this one is Nagaland. You have to draw one arrow, and then you have to write down the name of the state. Okay? You have to write down the name of the state. I have written N, the starting letter of Nagaland. You have to write the whole name, the complete name. The capital of Nagaland is Kohima. What is the capital? It is Kohima. Now next is Manipur. Let us learn to locate Manipur on the outline map. Now children, this one is Manipur, right? This region is Manipur. Now we have to locate Manipur on the outline map of India. Now you know where is Nagaland, where is Assam, right? So just below Nagaland, that is the south of Nagaland, is Manipur. This part is Manipur. You have to draw one arrow, and what you have to do? You have to write Manipur above the arrow on it. You have to write the complete name. Follow, children? Then after Manipur comes Mizoram. Just see how it looks, the shape of Mizoram. This one is Mizoram. Yes. So you have to locate Mizoram on the outline map of India. This one is Mizoram. The capital of Mizoram is Aizawl. What is the capital? It is Aizawl. Next comes Tripura. See, here it is Tripura. Next comes Tripura. The capital of Tripura is Agartala. The capital is Agartala. Now, you have to locate Tripura on this map, outline map like this. You are supposed to locate. This part is Tripura. It is located in the south of Assam. And what you are supposed to write? You have to write Tripura, the complete name of the state. You have to write the complete name. Next comes Meghalaya. The capital of Meghalaya is Shillong. This is Meghalaya, children. Yes, this one, this part is Meghalaya. So you have to locate Meghalaya on the outline map. So this way you are supposed to locate. You will draw one line, draw one arrow, and above it you are going to write down Meghalaya, the complete name. Follow, children, how to locate Meghalaya on the map. So children, in today's class we have learned to locate the names of the states and capital on the outline map of India. Let us just do a small recap. 22 is Arunachal Pradesh. The capital is Itanagar. 23, Assam. The capital is Dispur. 24, Nagaland. The capital is Kohima. 25, Manipur. The capital is Imphal. 26, Mizoram. The capital is Aizawl. 27, Tripura. The capital is Agartala. 28, Meghalaya. The capital is Shillong. Now children, you can observe one thing. You can see this blue color is Assam, right? So Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura and Meghalaya, they are all the neighboring states of Assam. Assam is surrounded by Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura and Meghalaya. Of course, West Bengal is also there. It is surrounded by 7 states. Follow, children, I hope you have understood how to locate the eastern states on the outline, on the political map of India, on the outline map of India. Now children, this is a small home assignment for you. Write the names of the states and capitals from number 22 to 28. Now children, already you have done from number 1 to 21, right? That is, number 1 is Himachal Pradesh and 21 is Tamil Nadu. You have written the names of all the states and their capitals. Now, in today's homework, you have to just continue from 22 to 28. There are 28 states in India. Total 28 states in India. So children, we have done with all the 28 states. There are total 28 states in India. So you have learned to locate all the states on the political map of India. In the next session, we shall learn the union territories and how to locate union territories on the outline map of India. Thank you.